You already know that on my channel, I teach you how to make money online without needing any special skills. And one of the best ways right now to earn money online, especially with the help of AI, is by creating videos and publishing them on YouTube and other social media platforms, and actually turning those views into profit. But I know what you're thinking. How can I create these videos? As you know, I specialize in selling digital products, especially kids' digital products. So today, I'm going to show you how to create children's story videos in a very easy, professional, and amazing way. Just open your laptop and let's jump straight into the topic. In this video, I'm going to use the amazing platform Higgsfield, which we already used in a previous video where we created a cinematic film. I'll leave the link to that video below this video so you can learn how to create a cinematic movie step by step. I'll also put the Higgsfield website link in the description below. Go right now, sign up, and start designing together with me. But in this video, I'll teach you how to create children's story videos in 3D with a style that's very close to cartoons. We're going to go through 3 simple stages. The first stage is writing the story using ChatGPT. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to write the story for you, and it will generate it in seconds. The second stage is designing the images that we'll use to create the video. And the third stage is turning those images into a video. And don't worry, you won't get confused at all, because everything we need is available inside this amazing platform. Now, let's move directly to Higgsfield and then jump straight into image design. I'll go to the image section, and here you'll find many image design tools. All the new tools are available here, but I personally always prefer Nano Banana Pro, because right now it's leading the image design space, so I'll select it. From here, you can also easily change the image generation model. And right here, we'll choose the image dimensions. Since I want to create a video for YouTube, I'll choose 16 by 9. Over here, you can control the image quality. You can even go all the way up to 4K. And here, you choose the number of images you want to generate from each prompt. Let's generate 2 images per prompt, then choose the best one from them. Now, I'll write the first prompt, which is for the main character we'll use in the story. And all of this was written for us by ChatGPT, completely free and in a beautiful, professional way. I'll paste it here, then click on Generate. After that, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second character, and generate it the exact same way. Look at the results now. The result is amazing. All 4 images look incredible, each one better than the other. All we need to do now is choose one image for each character, then download them so we can use them to generate the rest of the scenes and chapters of the story. Now, let's move on to designing the scenes for this amazing story we're creating, using the exact same method. But there's one important detail you must keep in mind. You must upload the images of the 2 characters here, so the platform can use them as references when designing the scenes later on. Now, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the first scene. After that, we'll paste it right here, and then click on Generate. Next, we'll return again to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second scene, paste it in the same place here, and click Generate. And we'll keep repeating this process, copying the scene prompts, going back to Higgsfield, and generating each image one by one. I'm going to speed up this part so I don't make the video too long for you, but now you clearly understand the full process step by step. Now let's take a look at the final result of the images we designed. All the images look absolutely amazing, and honestly, I'm very impressed with the results. All we need to do now is select the images we like the most and download them so we can use them to create our video. I think the process has been very easy so far, and up to this point, you probably haven't faced any difficulty at all. Now let's move to the next step, which is turning these images into an amazing video. How do we do that? I'll go to the video section, and here you'll find almost all the video creation tools available on the platform. There's the amazing Cinema Studio tool, which we used in a previous video. But in this video, let's use Sora 2, because it's also extremely powerful and impressive. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you how to use Cinema Studio. Now, all we need to do is add the scene image here. Let's add the first scene image. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the first scene, and paste it right here. Now let's quickly generate the first video. Let me show you the result, and I'm sure you're going to be blown away.
This is the last energy core.
If we fail, everything goes dark.
Look at this with your own eyes. After that, we'll go back again to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second scene, paste it here, and upload the image for the second scene as well. If we scroll down, you'll find more settings. For example, here you can choose the video duration. Let's select 8 seconds instead of 12. You can also control the video size and the model used to generate the video. After that, we'll generate this scene as well. And to generate the third scene, we'll return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, upload the third scene image, and generate the video the exact same way. And if you want to increase the quality of the videos you create, you can use Sora 2 Pro or Sora 2 Max, which allow you to generate videos in full HD quality. I also want you to experiment with the other video models so you can get even more stunning results. I'll generate the rest of the scene videos now, and then I'll come back to you so the video doesn't get too long, and you can see the final result for yourself.
No, never.
It's responding! We still have time. It's responding!
Please, work.
Now!
We did it!
I knew we would. There's still so much to fix.
And we'll do it together.
Honestly, just like I told you, I'm truly impressed with the results from the very first look. I didn't even need to redesign or regenerate any video because the result is already stunning. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm planning to create a channel, publish children's videos, and make money from them. So right now, I strongly recommend that you create your own channel as well and start. And just like I told you at the beginning of the video, the Cinema Studio tool is also extremely powerful for video generation. So let's go to it now, and I'll show you quickly how to design a video using it. For example, let's take the prompt for this scene and paste the prompt down here. Then you place the starting image in the start frame and the ending image in the end frame, so the scene smoothly transitions from the beginning to the end in the video. After that, choose any settings you want from below and then click on Generate. And if you want to create a non-transition scene where there's motion but only one image, just place a single image in the start frame. From the movement section, you can choose beautiful transitions, then adjust the rest of the settings however you like. Let's also generate this scene now so you can see the result for yourself. Look at the video results now. The result is amazing as always, and the transition is very smooth and clean. You all know that in the past, we used to pay thousands of dollars to create a video like this, but today, everything is available with just one click. So my advice to you today is simple. Start now. Don't delay. And once again, just like I told you, I'm really impressed with the final result. I strongly recommend that you start working on this project today, upload videos to YouTube, and begin your journey. I'll leave the website link in the description below. Go ahead, sign up now, and start creating your own videos today.